Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some rice and peas with pigtail. The pigtail is optional. I've been doing this dish for ages and I thought I would share it with you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. So this is my peas. That's red kidney peas. That's 1.5 cup. That's my salted pigtail, my coconut milk. These are all my herbs. You got spring onion, you got ginger, you got garlic, you have thyme, and you have cachbanic pepper. So I already washed my red kidney bean and I also washed my pigtail. So here I have a pot on the stove and I fill at least 5 cups of cold water. So now I'm gonna add my kidney bean, and I'm gonna also add my garlic, and I'm gonna allow it to cook for at least an hour. You can always use a pressure cooker, but I don't mind cooking it like this because this is what I used to. So now I'm gonna allow it to cook. My stove is on medium, and make sure you cover your pot also. So here I have a pot on the stove. So I'm gonna add my pigtail to the pot because I'm gonna scald the pigtail off. You know, just remove some of the salt from it. I'm gonna leave it for at least 15 minutes and then I'll add it to my peas, to my red kidney beans. Hi guys, so now I'm gonna add my pigtail to my peas. Hi guys, so my peas is finished and this is what it look like. So you can see it pressed right down. So this is what it should look like. So now I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add my scallion and my thyme and my ginger and my pepper. And I'm also gonna add some pimento seed and 1 spoon of salt. I'm just gonna taste it now. I'm just gonna add just a tiny bit more salt in there, guys. Okay, that's it. And I'm gonna leave it for at least 15 minutes. And then I'll add my rice. But this is what it looks like. And I forgot to mention, I'm gonna also add half a spoonful of all-purpose seasoning. So it's been 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna add my rice. So I add 1.5 cup of rice. I already washed it, so now I'm gonna put it in my pot. I'm using basmati rice. You can use whatever rice you have. So I had my rice. And I'm also gonna add some more water to it. That's around 1/4 cup of water. And I'm gonna leave it for at least 25 minutes. And my stove is on medium, so don't turn up your stove. Make sure your stove is turned down and medium so the rice doesn't burn. And I'm gonna also cover my pot. And the reason why it have this yellow color, guys, I add some butter to it. Yeah, I add a bit of butter, so that's why it look like this. But the butter is totally optional. Hi guys, so my rice and peas and my pigtail is all finished, and this is what it look like. I did say 25 minutes, but it actually take 35 minutes to finish. So now I'm just gonna turn it with my fork. That looks so delicious, guys. Look at that. I hope you guys do try this recipe. It's absolutely nice. So please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.